kind of books are they? Oh! Oh, Bay! This is pretty nuts. This is pretty nuts, isn't it? Holy! Alright guys, so it is Saturday morning. Pam is still sleeping upstairs. It's very early Saturday morning. Today we're gonna be doing something pretty fun. The other day, I bid on a storage unit. I ended up winning it, and I haven't told Pam. And I'm gonna tell her live on camera with you guys. So this is gonna be fun. Alright, so Pam's awake. She's out there feeding the cats. Let's go tell her. Good morning. Today we're gonna be going on a fun adventure. Today we're gonna be going to go and clean out a abandoned storage unit that we bought.
What? That is not a good time. Did you really buy a storage unit?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Ryan.
All right, so the description of this storage unit said that it had household items, electronics, there's a TV in there, and there's some like mystery totes. So we paid $100 for this unit, and it's our first time ever buying a unit, and it probably will be our last because Pam doesn't like it.
I'm scared.
Here we are. I got Pam a breakfast wrap.
Makes me feel better.
Make Pam feel better. Right, is it good?
Uh-huh. I like it.
All right, so here we are. We're at the unit. This is it. Want to open it? This is the one. Grab the... Whoa! I see a Nintendo. Here it is. Look at that. Look. No, look. Look.
Yeah, look at this space.
Look.
Look at this space of nothing. I love it. There's trees, there's a squirrel.
It's a SNES.
I have no idea what that even means.
Super Nintendo. Pretty sweet find right off the bat, right? Right? Once again, spent $100 on this. So hopefully we can find some profit. What is this? Books. You want to do some reading?
Are we gonna sell 3 tires to somebody?
Oh, you got tired. Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah.
Actually, these are like really good condition though. These are
Ron,
what?
cars use 4 tires.
4 tires? I know, but somebody might need 3. Maybe they got one flat or something. Wait, that doesn't make sense.
That's what
I don't know. Somebody might need just one. I could sell one. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But these are Ford Ranger rims. I know that because I had a Ford Ranger as my first vehicle. So they're a pretty desirable rim and tire. So I think we'll do all right with those. I should be able to flip them on Facebook Marketplace probably. What is that, dude?
What everybody needs, a cup full of socks stuck. What if somebody used those?
Ew.
And they have toe jam in them.
That's disgusting.
I have no idea. What does a fox say?
What does a fox say? All right, let's get these tires out of here.
They do have some little rustic jars.
Got some what?
Rustic
Some
jars.
rustic jars.
I don't read these kind of books.
All right, what kind of books are they? Oh,
What?
games. PS4 games.
Perfect.
That's actually a pretty sweet find. PS4. I wonder if there's a PS4 in the unit. That would be sweet.
One shoe. Obviously, this is like instead of the other tire.
Yeah.
You use one foot.
Yeah, just one shoe. Oh,
Hey, a football.
PS4 controller.
What the heck? This
Awesome.
football's stuck in this cup.
This is a good unit, Bay. This is a good unit.
Is it?
Yeah. Ooh.
I think so. This is the one's fine.
What game is this? Rygar? Is that a good one? Probably not. It's probably a pickle. I don't think I've ever seen that one before, though.
Kimmy's gonna destroy these footballs.
Yeah, we can give those to Kimmy, our puppy. Right?
But we're gonna give those video games to Kimmy. She will destroy all this for her mama.
All right, what else we got? Are these more books?
Oh,
Bae!
What?
Holy cow!
The crock pot?
Look! Game Boy Colors.
I don't know what that is.
This is awesome!
There's crock pots that I don't know how to use. Here's a phone charger.
Holy cow! All right, this is already a score. We're already like in profit here. In this one little bin. This is a great unit. Whoa.
What?
What is that? All right, let's finish this section first, and then we'll move on. We got this thing. I don't know what this is. PS4 controller. Oh. Whoa.
Babe, put that down. You don't know what's on that.
It's I think it's an airsoft gun. Yeah, it's just a airsoft gun.
You don't know who was killed
But
with that thing.
This feels like a really nice one.
Hey, look.
Whoa. Football cards? What's that?
They're balloons.
Balloons? Oh, we could use those for balloon bucks.
They're water balloons.
Oh, crap. Is the camera in here?
Here.
Whoa. Whoa.
I told you.
Why is this so heavy? Why is this so heavy, babe? Holy crap. What the?
That's a lot of money.
That is a lot. All right. This is ridiculous. This is pretty nuts. This is pretty nuts, isn't it?
Now you're gonna want to buy these all the time.
No. Here, all right, hold the camera while I open this really heavy bag. Come here. Let's bring it over the couch. Why is this so heavy? If I had to guess, I'd say this is a bowling ball, but it's too small for a bowling ball. It's so heavy, though. What the? What are those?
Dragon eggs. Obviously. Ask Justin.
What are these?
I don't know. If I'm the Princess of Fire or something, it will turn into a dragon.
I don't even know what those are. They're really cold. They're like rocks.
Are they Zenny things?
I don't
or
know.
something?
They're pretty neat, though. There. So we got those, I guess. All right. Let's go back to that wallet you had.
The wallet I found.
This is like a ridiculous. I mean, we can't judge it by like how much, because this is foreign currency, so I don't know how much it actually is worth in American dollars. But I mean, what is that? Chinese?
I don't know.
Chinese dollars? Or what's their currency called? Yen?
Maybe you
Or is that Japanese? I mean, that's Gandhi, so that's probably rupees. So that's from India. How do you say his name? Gandhi?
Maybe you should put that away so somebody doesn't come by and
All right.
we can look at that later.
So we've got, and a bunch of coins too. I mean, I don't know how much that is in American currency, but that's pretty cool.
Definitely gonna give that to Kitan. He needs a merce.
All right, we got another bag here. And this one. Oh.
I don't know what you're excited about.
It's a camera.
Oh.
SR2000 KS. I'll have to look that up. I don't know if that's valuable or what.
Ew.
Oh.
That's some panties.
That's no fun. Oh, okay. All right.
Hey, there's...
All right, that's gonna stay in there.
That says kaboom, I think.
I wouldn't touch anything in that drawer. Yeah, just more clothes. And more clothes. Yeah. That can stay.
Underwears.
Alright, what else we got in here? We got a flash for it. And then we got we got film. Hey, we got expired film.
You got a box that says, I love you.
Oh, no kidding.
Angelique.
It's jewelry. Wonder if it's anything. I don't think that's anything special. That necklace might be gold, though.
This one?
Yeah. See if there's like a...
Yeah, it's printed on there, but I don't know what it says.
Let me see. Let me look. It says, I can't read it. It's so small.
It's alright.
Yeah. Okay.
I can use my loops.
Okay. So we got some expired film in here. Another film. So that's pretty sweet.
Now it's time to get something good. There's twine.
Twine.
I like twine.
Whoop. All right, it's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. I can't get over this. This is a score. We got another camera box here. Is the camera in this? It's a Canon PowerShot.
Wait, maybe I see.
Holy cow, babe.
Hey, look at this one.
Yeah, the camera's in there. Whew. Oh, that's pretty sweet.
And it
Samuel Adams,
has a little opener.
yeah. Cooler. That is sick.
I can't open it.
I think it was unlatched first, was it? There we go. Yeah.
Oh, it's like.
It's brand new.
Well,
You can tell it's never been. It's
though.
beat up on the outside, but the inside looks like pristine. What is that? It's like a home theater system. Is it like a subwoofer or something? I don't know.
What is it? What
Oh,
is
we didn't go
that?
through this yet. I don't know. Let's pull it out.
Wire.
Oh, this might be. This is the rest of the home theater system, I think. Because we got all the speakers. Oh, bae. These are Bose.
I don't know what that means.
That's a great brand.
Oh, this is kind of sad. It's their family photos.
Oh, is it? We'll have to give that back. The lady said that we have to give back the personal stuff. I want to show that.
That's really photos.
Yeah, it's all like personal photos and stuff. Yep. Yeah. I'm not going to show that on camera, but we'll give it back to the rightful owner. So, we got that here. Bring it out. Right there. Oh, here's more personal photos. Put these away. Whew. I am so pumped. This is the sickest unit. So sick. Oh. I think we scored for $100 on this bag.
This one's an artist. Look.
It's like art. That's really cool.
Look, stepping on the stone.
Yeah. That's awesome.
A pumpkin. I like pumpkins.
You like pumpkins?
Those are cool. I might like these. I don't like to get it all yucky on my bugs.
What else we got? Did we go through everything? I don't think we got everything yet. This little crate right here already got us into profit. With all the PS4 games, PS4 controller, the Game Boys, the Game Boy Colors. I mean, this is awesome. Yes. We got this Sanyo TV here. This looks like it's probably a, I don't know, like a 40-inch maybe? It's a little dusty. I'll have to test it out, see if it works. We can probably sell it on Facebook Marketplace.
We gotta do this mattress. Ooh, I like this.
Yeah, perfect broom. I don't know what we're gonna have to. We're gonna have to bring this to the dump. I didn't know this was in here. It didn't say it. Didn't show it in the pictures or anything. What else we got here? Whoa, these are something. What else is in this bin?
Books. Little crafty things.
Samuel. They're all just books and stuff. Magazines.
We
These
have-
could be. These could be worth something.
Yeah.
These type books here. Lonnie's been selling some stuff similar. I don't know. I've never seen those before. This is a hardcover one. What is it? Oh, Green Bay Packers player? Dorsey Lewis? Never heard of him. Was this? Yeah, you already looked at this, right?
Randy Moss.
Randy Moss, that's a good one. I wonder if there's any... Oh, that's in like a nice case for some reason. Oh, maybe it's his rookie card. This might be his rookie card. Because this is when he was in college. That could be worth something. That's why it's in that hard case. There's another one down here. Another one down here in a hard case. Ryan Leaf.
There's a bunch of Ryan Leaf. There's Ryan Leaf.
Yeah.
There was another Ryan Leaf.
Actually, most of these cards are in like the hard cases.
Here's Randy Moss again.
This is Ryan Leaf. I've never even heard of Ryan Leaf.
There's like a bunch of them of Ryan Leaf. Randy Moss too.
Yeah.
Charles Woodson.
These books could be something. Like, look at this one. This hardcover Ultimate Illustrations. Those are some interesting looking books. Now we got some dominoes.
Ryan Leaf again.
Yeah, so this is pretty sweet, babe.
Ryan Leaf.
This Bose, these Bose systems speakers are pretty nice. Case. This is copper wire. What else we got? Some more stuff down here. This is like a bowl of stuff. Like a shark. What else we got? Anything else good? Nice little cooler. It's a little Rubbermaid cooler. Awesome. I think we did well, babe.
Alright, well, let's
I think we did well.
loading.
Okay, let's get loading some stuff. There's nothing in this, just a blanket. That's actually a nice Adidas bag.
Use it
Nice
for
gym
the
bag for somebody, yeah.
It's not a blanket. It's a...
Looks like a cat toy. All right, let's get this stuff moved. Pretty cool, huh?
It says, as a Native American legend is told, by hanging a dream catcher over your sleeping area, the bad dreams will be diverted by the beads, and the feathers will attract and allow the good dreams to pass through. So, if you have bad dreams, you'll just have this.
Keep dreaming, you crazy dreamer.
And only the good dreams will come true.
All right, guys, so we got all the stuff home. This is actually our second trip. And that's most of the furniture. We're probably gonna donate most of the furniture because we don't really have any use for it. And all the other stuff is already in our garage. All the good stuff that we got that we're going to probably try to sell. It was a great haul. That will be a second video. That will be another video coming soon on the channel. But we don't usually do storage units. Actually, we never do them. This is our first one. So I'm gonna make a deal with you guys. If this video gets 1,500 likes, which is a enormous amount of likes, I don't think we really even ever get close to that, and where Pam doesn't like doing these much, try to convince her, guys.
I'm waiting.
But if we get 1,500 likes on this video, we'll do another storage locker video. But yeah, this has been fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. We sure did. This was a major score. We're not expecting to get what we got today, and what a way to start doing storage units. I think we got lucky, to be honest. I think we got really lucky. I don't think they're usually this good.
I'm gonna go ice my back.
Pam's tired. She's gonna have a nap. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next one. Say bye.
I'm gonna go dream.
Okay. Good night.